EXAIR Industrial Static Eliminators combine our engineered airflow products with ionizers, which eliminate problematic static charges and then clean surfaces. EXAIR's new line of Intellistat products eliminate static in 0.6 seconds. The Intellistat Ion Air Gun maintains charge neutrality during clean processes, test procedure, and sensitive assembly work, with a Class 5 rating for clean rooms and controlled environments. It's perfect for sensitive material applications like biomedical, circuit board manufacturing, pharmaceutical cleanliness, and scientific testing. The Intellistat Ion Air Nozzle offers many of the same benefits, but for stationary use. The air nozzle is ideal for benchtop and assembly areas and allows you to use both hands on the job while offering a continuous stream of static neutralizing airflow. Learn more about EXAIR's static eliminators at exair.com.